He's gone. He's got enough of it. It's a six. MS Stoney brings up his 50. Second six of the innings.
That's just another six of the day in the first ball your face, thank you. That's hit beautifully.
Here comes Quary. No, it's not. It's Skipper. It's Stoney. And he goes bang for six. What a second delivery. How good is that?
Gone this time. Got close enough to the pitch on this occasion and went through with a shot. That's six more.
And look at the swing. Good use of the feet to get the momentum. Gets the elevation. Boy, distance, forget about it. It's gone out of this park.
Out he comes. And away she goes.
That's some missing, isn't it? What a move. Great use of the females.
Regent, mid-wicket. All the way. Terrific stroke.